Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. My name is Anastasia. I deal in making beaded products such as bracelets, necklaces, bags, beaded hats, and many more. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make the letter A for a bracelet. This is, for example, if someone requests that you make them a bracelet with their name and the bracelet has letter A, like for example this bracelet. So we will be making this letter A. And on how to start a bracelet, kindly check on my previous video. So the materials we will require for this are beads in two colors. Red beads, we'll be using red beads, and white beads. The beads are in size 10, the size of the beads. And you will also require a nylon monofilament in size 0.03 millimeters. So let's go ahead and cut our nylon monofilament. We mostly call it fishing line. So let's go ahead and cut our fishing line and let's get started. So I have already cut my fishing line and folded it in a half, so I have two ends. Using one end, I'll pick 4 beads, crisscross the 4th bead, then pull my beads downwards. Then I'll be picking 3 beads, 1 bead using one end, using the other end, and using either of the end, I'll pick 1 bead and crisscross like that. So I'll continue with the same process of picking 3 beads until I achieve this flower, like 6 of them. So I'll pick 1 red using the other end, and using either of the end, I'll pick 1 red, crisscross like that. So we have picked the 3rd flower. Then we will pick the 4th, like that. I then pick 3 red beads, like that. So far we have made 5 flowers, as you can see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to complete this first line, I'll pick 3, or to make a corner in order to start a new line, I'll pick 3 red beads using one end, like that. Then the 3rd red bead, I'll crisscross like that. So start making the letter A. So to start our letter A, we'll pick 1 using the fishing line on the outer side. I'll pick 1 red and 2 white beads, crisscross the 3rd white bead I picked. Then I'll pass my fishing line on that bead, then pull my fishing line. I'll then pick 2 white beads, crisscross the second white bead and pass my fishing line on this bead like that. I'll then again pick 2 white beads, crisscross the second white bead, then pass all your beads, you pass your fishing line through that bead. I'll then pick 1 white bead, then 1 white red bead like that, crisscross the red bead, flip my bracelet like that and pick 2 red beads to complete that line. I'll then pick 3 red beads, crisscross the third bead I picked, then I'll pass my fishing line through this bead and pull my fishing line like that. I'll pick 2 red beads, crisscross the second red bead, and I'll pass my fishing line through this bead. I'll then pick 1 red, 1 white bead, crisscross the white bead, then I'll pass my fishing line through that bead. I'll pick 1 red, 1 white, crisscross the white bead, then I'll pass my fishing line through this bead. pick 2 white beads like that, crisscross the second bead and pass my fishing line through that bead. So far, so I'll flip my bracelet like that. Then using this fishing line, I'll pick 1 red bead and 1 white bead, crisscross the white bead. How our letter A looks like so far. I'll then pick 2 red beads and 1 white like that, crisscross the white bead, then I'll pass my fishing line through this white bead like that. I'll pick 2 white beads, crisscross the second white bead I picked and pass my fishing line through that bead. I'll pick again 2 white beads, crisscross the second white bead like that, and I'll pass my fishing line through that bead there. I'll pick 2 red beads, crisscross the second red bead, and then I'll pass my fishing line through this bead. I'll pick 2 red beads like that, crisscross the second red bead, and I'll pass my fishing line through that last bead like so. Then I'll flip my bracelet and pick 2 red beads. So far, so I'll start another line by picking 1 red bead, 2 white beads, crisscross the third white bead, then I'll pass my fishing line through this bead and pull my fishing line. I'll pick 2 white beads, crisscross the second white bead, and I'll pass my fishing line through that bead. I'll pick 2 white beads, crisscross the second white bead, and I'll pass my fishing line through that white bead. I'll pick 2 white beads, continue with the same procedure. I'll pick 2 red beads, crisscross the second red bead, and pass my fishing line through that last bead. I'll then flip my bracelet and pick 2 red beads. So far, I'll pick 3 red beads, continue with the same procedure as we have been doing. Pick 2 red beads, I'll pick one red, one white, again pick one red, one white, one red, one white, then I'll flip my bracelets and pick 2 red beads. There is our letter A. Our letter A. I'll be back to show you how to make letter B. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Kindly subscribe.